Alright, knife fans, welcome to this game on mobile called Knife Throw? Knife It, it's called Knife It, I knew that. Yeah, so basically just a game. You can get, oh my god, what? You can, you can unlock some knives, unlock some cool knives like this, here, blah blah blah. These are boss knives, so you kill the bosses, you get the knives. I've killed a few so far. I'll show you the gameplay in a second because it might give you the wrong idea going over this, but yeah, I just like all the knives you can get. Obviously you can't see them until you've unlocked them, so just, play the game, unlock it. Other ones, like these ones, will earn through challenges. You can buy them with money because mobile games. And then there's these ones where you can just buy them for apples. Interesting. But yeah, so these are just basic knives. You can just use them for apples, or unlock them for apples. Let's do one. What do we get? What are we gonna get? All right, let's look another one. Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's see what one we get. Oh, I'm using that one. I like it. So use that one. No, go away. Right, this is the gameplay. So tap the phone, knife goes in. You hit when you already. Oh, I meant to fill that there. Hit the knife, you fail. And there's a cutscene. For a second, forgot this was a mobile game. Obviously, you can. Oh, wait, don't do that. I already own this item. Interesting. Obviously, you can remove ads. I've just bloody put this out for screen. Lol. And whatnot. Let's go again. I'll show you, the actual game getting played by a professional. Definitely a professional at this game. I'm gonna hit this up and watch this. Watch this. Easy game. Obviously, it gets a little bit more challenging as you go on. There's bosses, but overall, oh damn. Hang on. I just want to see this PUBG Mobile advert. I was gonna skip it, but it kind of slaps. Look at this. This is a mobile game advert. I'm gonna download this game. Alright, and yeah, hit continue. You go back into the game. Easy peasy, just like that. Push. I won. Easy. But yeah, low key, I'm gonna download PUBG Mobile because I've been wanting to do it anyway. But that was pretty cool. I'm on this using an emulator called BlueStacks. It's pretty good. A little bit laggy at times, as you can see, but overall, it's pretty good. I got banned on. What's it called? I got banned on COD Mobile earlier because I don't know. I'm pretty sure you're allowed to use emulators to play it, but I got like a near nuke on my first game because playing against literal bots, and I got banned. Damn. Oh, boss knife. Alright, so this, that was a pretty cool knife actually. Equip that one, restart, play with this knife, and yeah, you get the point of the game. I'll show you some, what are they called? How do I don't even know how to actually escape. Home. So yeah, there's like challenges you can do, like this one, which is, it's basically, it's, put a game, but you unlock things for it. More things, I guess. I'm not really sure. I haven't really done the challenge. Oh, that was it. Oh, alright. That's that challenge done. What other challenges we got? We got treasures. What's this? What do I get for doing this? Oh. Alright. Boss fight. Let's see what treasures we get. Oh! No! Alright, I did not feel that. You did not see that. So yeah, you can get power-ups, I guess. I actually didn't know that. After missing the knife, you have a chance to get it back. Oh yeah, okay, I've had that. Cool. Power-ups. Showed you all the knives. There's a scoreboard, I guess. Alright, weird. I guess I wasn't logged in. What was this? Favorites? Oh, shit. Well, this is the game. So, ironic. 2018. Oof. Anyway. Go away. And yeah, that's the game. So yeah, I like knives. If y'all are subscribed to my channel, you probably like knives too. This is a pretty basic, you know, mind-numbing, boring game. Whatever. It's kind of fun. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more knife content, I guess. And goodbye.